Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Norman Manor International Airport and we're showing you the installation of solar panels at the airport. Now while solar panels are good and it will help to generate electricity for the airport, the location of the solar panels are a bit puzzling. These solar panels are at the ground. As you're driving into the airport, the solar panels are on the left and right. They're literally next to the departure terminal. Now, this is prime real estate. Anywhere in the world you go, the land around an airport is prime real estate. So, why is Jamaica using this land for solar panels? Now, you could put the solar panels in the Kingston Harbor, you could put them in other places a little away from the airport so that they don't utilize this land. This land should be used for infrastructure like buildings to benefit the airport. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are going to give you an update as to what's happening here. Solar panels at Norman Manor International Airport are a major part of the airport's push toward renewable energy and lower operating costs. Over the years, the airport has developed multiple solar projects rather than just one single system. The airport was actually one of the first in the region to test solar technology for aviation use. A solar at gate system was introduced to power aircraft while parked, reducing the need for fuel burning engines. This helped cut emissions and improve efficiency at the terminal. After the pilot phase, NMIA expanded into a bigger solar installations. A 2 to 2.5 megawatt solar system was developed as phase 1. Additional systems including a 2 megawatt photovoltaic project were added through partnerships with local energy companies. The airport is now scaling up significantly. Total solar capacity is expected to reach around 5 to 8 megawatts with new phases. Battery storage is being added to store energy and improve reliability. The goal is to supply most of the airport's electricity needs using solar power. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update. So basically that's what they're trying to do, generate 5 to 8 megawatts. But it's just the location of the panels that I find very strange. It's almost as if they're wasting the land at the airport by putting solar panels on them, when the solar panels could be put at another location and still generate the 8 megawatts. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.